What do rich people eat? Have you ever wondered? Have you asked this question? Well, today I'm going to share with you some foods that rich people eat so that you can start eating like the rich. Okay, so first things first, rich people eat healthy foods. Healthy meaning clean food, clean eating. You want to make sure that the food is fresh, flavorful, and vegetable forward, meaning that you should eat a lot of salads. Lots of salads. There are so many amazing and interesting salads that are just so delicious. I love salads. Absolutely love salads. Okay, so you can eat a salad. The next thing you can absolutely order when you go out to a restaurant is a veal dish. That is the meat of the calves, meaning it's so amazing. When I eat veal, it's so soft and flavorful. It's amazing. So you can order veal, like a veal dish. Normally it comes with like veal with broccoli and maybe you can order some kind of other side vegetable. Amazing. Just make sure you order lots of vegetable. Rich people like to eat foods that are organic. So it's not just a lot of vegetables, but organic vegetables. It is normally a little more expensive, not that much more expensive, but to get organic apples or organic lettuce or something, it is a little more pricey. So if you want to eat like the rich, consider buying organic foods. That means that they don't use chemicals in it to grow the plant and stuff like that, so it's more natural, which means it should be healthier for your body. I have a friend who once said, I don't look at the prices when I buy food because it is food and food is important. And that is so true. Food is going into your body. Your body is your whole self. It's important. Health is wealth. So when you're buying foods, definitely consider going organic if you can afford it. Just remember that food is important. This is what nourishes your body so that you can feel your best. You definitely want to eat the best foods. So organic foods, lots of veggies. Remember that. You can order a lobster. Yeah, if you go out to somewhere that, serves lobster and you see it on the menu, you can look for the menu online before you go out to the restaurant. That way you can see what's on the menu. And you can decide beforehand, what are you going to order? What are you going to order at this restaurant? It's better when you know ahead of time. So you don't have to actually think and look at the menu too much. You can just say, I'll have this. And then it's like, yeah, she's accustomed eating amazing food. She is like us, that kind of thing. Rich people eat caviar. Have you had that? It's amazing. Truffles, yes. Chocolatey desserts, absolutely. The reason that rich people like to eat things that are clean and vegetable forward, meaning lots of greens, lots of fruit, lots of raw food, like, I don't mean raw like in raw, but yeah, they do eat food that's raw, like, steak, that's kind of rare, with the blood, like, oh, no, not me. I'd like mine well done, thank you. But I mean vegetables, so that is because they want to keep looking young for longer. Like when you eat clean meals, you get this nice youthful glow. You don't get old quickly. You don't look old quickly. So when you eat in this kind of way, like there's this lady on YouTube, Simply Raw Christina. She eats raw vegan meals. You don't have to go so extreme because raw vegan is a bit of a stretch, but yeah, she looks so young and amazing and beautiful. Yeah, that's enough of that. Moving on. You can order foods like eggplant, pasta primavera, swordfish, grilled swordfish. Order grilled food. When you're at home or if you're ordering something out, like you need to order something quickly, consider going to a juice bar or a smoothie bar. That way you can buy a green juice or buy some kind of fresh juice something that's made from fresh fruit. It's not from some preservative in a can with you know, concentrate stuff. No, none of that. You want to do the actual fresh juices from the actual fruit, okay? And you can do green juices, you know, like fresh orange juice, fresh pineapple juice, or even like a mixed deal, like a smoothie. Wow, I love smoothies, okay? Love me a smoothie in the mornings. Definitely take supplements at home. Some really good supplements. Just make sure you take supplements to nourish your body, to make sure that you are just super duper healthy. You're healthy and you have a lot of energy and something to boost your brain power, okay? Get that smart. Another thing that rich people are into are matcha smoothie or matcha foods. Like you can drink like a matcha tea or just put matcha powder in your smoothie. Even something like dried mushrooms. Dried mushroom powder is supposed to be some amazing thing. Yeah, so you can try that out. Do some research on that. A book that you should definitely check out is The Lifestyle of the Rich and Famous Cookbook. I will leave a link for that in the description below so you can check that out and get some more ideas. But a really simple, inexpensive way to eat like the rich is just to try different salads. That is, like, salads are not expensive if you make them at home, okay? It really is not. You can do so many different salads. Like you can get different types of lettuce, you know, you can do even spinach. Come on. It is not hard. You can just make sure it's nice and colorful. A nice colorful salad at home. I love those, okay? And then you can do something like chicken. I know I didn't say chicken on the list of things that rich people like to eat, but honestly, chicken breast, it is lean meat, okay? So you can eat chicken breast salad. I love chicken breast salad when you're at home. When you go out, you can try different things, of course. I think when you go to a restaurant, you should try things that you will not make yourself at home. Like try things that you can absolutely sort of only get at a restaurant. You know, you want it to be a little different, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you know how to eat this meal. You don't want to go and embarrass yourself by trying some weird thing, you know? So if you don't know how to eat it, absolutely Google it. There may be a video on how to eat some weird dish, you know? And then once you practice eating it in private, then maybe you can try eating it in public with other people around. Or if you don't know how to eat something, just try to follow what the other person is doing, provided that you have the same dish. So if you're absolutely unsure about how to eat something, but you want to order it anyway, order the same thing as your date or your people, and then just sort of follow. You can just chill out, eat slowly, and mimic. Okay, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to check out the book. There's a link for it in the description. Okay, thank you and see you soon.